Ever feel like your money is just sitting there, not really doing anything for you? Like it's parked in a dusty corner of your finances, gathering no interest, no growth, just existing? We've all been there. We work hard for our money, and we want it to work for us too. That's where the concept of a cash reserve comes in, and today, we're diving deep into one specific option, the Truist Cash Reserve. Now, before we get into the specifics of Truist Cash Reserve, let's talk about the bigger picture. What exactly is a cash reserve? Think of it as your financial safety net, a readily available pool of funds you can tap into for emergencies, unexpected expenses, or even just those moments when opportunity knocks and you need to act fast. It's the difference between scrambling for cash and confidently seizing the moment. A well-funded cash reserve offers peace of mind. Job loss? Medical bills? Car repairs? A cash reserve cushions the blow and helps you weather those financial storms without resorting to high-interest loans or credit cards. It also provides flexibility. Maybe you spot a killer deal on something you've been wanting, or an investment opportunity arises. A readily available cash reserve allows you to jump on it without hesitation. So, why are we talking about Truist Cash Reserve specifically? Well, it's one option worth considering when building your financial safety net. It's designed to help you keep your money accessible while potentially earning more than a standard checking or savings account. Now, let's break down what Truist Cash Reserve actually is. It's essentially a deposit account offered by Truist Bank that combines some of the features of a checking account with some of the benefits of a savings account. This means you typically get convenient access to your funds, often through things like checks, debit cards, and online banking, while also earning interest on your balance. One of the key features of a cash reserve account like this is the potential for higher interest rates compared to traditional checking or savings accounts. The interest rate offered will vary depending on market conditions and can change, so it's always important to check with Truist directly for the most up-to-date rates. However, the goal is generally to provide a better return on your money while still keeping it readily accessible. Now, you might be thinking, okay, that sounds good, but how does it actually work? Well, generally, you deposit money into the account, just like you would with a checking or savings account. You can then access those funds as needed. The key difference is that, depending on the specific terms and conditions of the Truist Cash Reserve account, there might be some limitations on the number of transactions you can make per month to maintain the higher interest rate. This is something you'll want to clarify with Truist. Another important aspect to consider is fees. Just like any financial product, Truist Cash Reserve might have associated fees. These could include monthly maintenance fees, transaction fees, or other charges. It's crucial to understand the fee structure before opening an account so you're not caught off guard later. Don't hesitate to ask Truist representatives about any potential fees and how they might impact your overall returns. Now, who is Truist Cash Reserve a good fit for? It could be a suitable option for individuals who want to keep a significant amount of money readily available while earning more interest than a standard checking account offers. It could be beneficial for those who have a dedicated emergency fund or those who regularly need access to a substantial amount of cash. However, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Before you decide if Truist Cash Reserve is right for you, it's essential to compare it to other options. Consider traditional savings accounts, money market accounts, or even certificates of deposit, CDs. Each has its own pros and cons, and the best choice for you will depend on your individual financial situation, your risk tolerance, and your specific needs. For example, a traditional savings account might offer lower interest rates, but greater flexibility in terms of withdrawals. A money market account might offer competitive interest rates, but may have higher minimum balance requirements. CDs typically offer higher interest rates in exchange for locking your money in for a specific period. We've covered these in other videos, so check them out if you want to learn more. When comparing options, look at the interest rates, fees, access restrictions, and any other relevant factors. Don't just focus on the advertised interest rate. Consider the overall cost of the account, including fees, and how that impacts your net return. It's also crucial to do your research on Truist Bank itself. Look at their reputation, their customer service, and their online banking platform. You want to choose a financial institution you trust and one that meets your needs in terms of accessibility and convenience. So, How do you actually open a Truist Cash Reserve account? The best way is to contact Truist directly. You can visit their website, call their customer service line, or visit a local branch. They will be able to provide you with the most up-to-date information on interest rates, fees, and account requirements. They can also answer any specific questions you have and help you determine if the account is a good fit for you. Remember, building a solid cash reserve is a critical part of a sound financial plan. It provides a safety net, offers flexibility, and can help you achieve your financial goals. Whether Truist Cash Reserve is the right choice for you is something you need to carefully consider based on your individual circumstances. Don't rush into any decision, and take the time to compare your options and do your due diligence. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.